I think we're set. So, okay. Hello there, I'm Arrow, and we're going to do a quick unboxing video for you. Today, we have the Logitech G Pro wireless gaming mouse. And I've actually owned this mouse before. I actually got it like as soon as it came out because I was super excited. I've been diving into the wireless peripherals more recently. I have the new G915 TKL. I have the Logitech G Pro wireless that just came out. And man, I just love the Lightspeed technology from Logitech. But the only problem I had with the Pro wireless is that it started double clicking, like a double left clicking out of nowhere, and despite changing the settings and the mouse settings and reinstalling the drivers and whatnot, just couldn't get it fixed. But fortunately for me, I had a replacement plan with Micro Center, and I just pretty much went over there, had a little appointment, which was a short wait, and once I got to the knowledge bar, it was probably about 10 to 15 minutes, and I was all squared away. They took the other mouse and I guess they set up an RMA and processed the purchase for the new mouse. Yeah, and I was out of there. But yes, I'm excited to have this mouse again. I was using this temporary mouse. It's a G203. It's a good mouse, by the way. Much cheaper, but not wireless, which is the whole point of me getting a wireless mouse. But let me go and get that squared away over there. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox the G Pro wireless. All right, so yeah, Lightspeed, the hero sensor, and power play with RGB light sync, 16.8 million colors. That's a lot. And oh, look at these sponsors over here. We have TSM. That's just a stab at some of my friends. They're huge TSM fans. And if you're a TSM fan, then good for you. You just could have at least won one game at Worlds, but you know what? You guys have Bjergsen as a coach now, so it's okay. G2, Astralis, which me and Astralis don't really get along because they kind of beat down Team Liquid all of 2018 and then towards the end of 2019. But Team Liquid had a wonderful year in 2019 either way. Keep playing. So the packaging, it's pretty clean. Logitech has always done a really good job with their packaging. Has onboard memory, obviously, just like most of the Logitech mice. Resolution 100 to 16,000 DPI. Acceleration 40G, max speed 4,000 IPS, zero smoothing, and a 1,000 USB report rate, so 1,000 hertz or 1 millisecond. 32-bit ARM microprocessor, and the battery life is wonderful because it's 48 hours with just the default lighting, and if you turn that off, boom, 60 hours, just like that. That's so long. But yeah, I love this mouse. Come on, baby. So yeah, here's the mouse inside there, and it's super neat packaging. Look at that. I wonder if you can catch this on the microphone. I wonder if it's going to capture this audio. Maybe I have a noise gate on there, so let's see. It's for the ASMR. That's what they call it, right? ASMR. Yeah. There's no weight in here. I'm fairly certain there's no weight in here by default. Because actually, I had a G703. I can't remember if that came with a weight, but I know one of these mice at one point I actually added a weight on there. But on here, you can actually add a weight into this little spot right here. And I wonder if you can actually, I think you can flip this around. Like I think if you got the with the mouse pad with it, you can actually oh, look at that. I'm not sure if this is the way it works, but oh no, it's magnetic. What did I do? Oh, there we go. Saved it. I think there's an adapter that goes with this if you get the mouse pad. That way you can just literally just move the mouse on the mouse pad itself and it charges it always. But yeah, there's a little insert on here that I discovered actually when I was returning my other G Pro. That you can install the USB dongle in, which is pretty neat. Pretty neat feature over there. You have the on-off switch, which is on, which this is already pre-charged. Turn that off. And then I think this button manages your DPI. You have two simple left and right mouse buttons, a nice scroll wheel. Very nice scroll. I'm not sure if you can hear that. No, you definitely can't. And then, oh, this does have ambidextrous buttons, but you have to set it up that way. So you have a nice, there are little forward and back buttons right here on the side. The only thing I didn't like about this mouse compared to the 703 and the 403 was the forward and back buttons, because they're a little small for my taste. I wish they're a little bigger, but you know, it also hasn't really, you know, caused any issues. I have those bound to particular functions when I play games like Counter-Strike, or sometimes it's my push to talk button in Squad, for example. But other than that, this mouse has been fairly wonderful. It's very clean. Oh, you know, I wonder if it comes in white. I should look that up. I don't think Micro Center sells it in white though. Man, I'm so excited to use this again. But yeah, the front has the micro USB port, and it has a very specific shaped connector. If you need to use it wired, like in case you're still playing it but the battery is not charged enough. So let's continue further. So take out the little mouse thing. All right, so this is, oh, this has the dongle. Who is that? Oh, what is this? My stand goal. I reached my stand goal by sitting down. Way to go, Apple. So yeah, here's the dongle, and it has the Pro USB dongle already installed into it. This is the adapter that you can plug in if you want to use it wirelessly. This is more of an extender. So I theoretically could just plug this directly into my computer and then use my mouse. Like, it's nothing. But I just from experience, I like having this installed into here and then keeping it by my mouse pad, just so you know there's zero chance for any interference. So yeah, it's pretty sturdy. And in here, we have these ambidextrous buttons. But I'm not going to install those because, you know, I'm right-handed. Okay, so take that out because we just took that out. Oh. And then there's this thingy-bob, which is our cable and the adapter that plugs into the mouse itself in case you want to play it wired while it's charging it up. Oh, and so you have a little quick start guide, some warranty information. I think this, what is this? Keep playing. At Logitech G, we believe that life is more fun when you play. Oh, that's cool. Oh, this is just pointing out all the stuff you can get. It's a little pamphlet. Keep playing. The C922 cam, the G560 speakers, the G513 keyboard. What the heck is that keyboard? The G703. I've had that mouse before. It's a good mouse. And then the Power Play. Oh, that's for the mouse pad itself. I need to get one of those so bad. I want one. I like having big mouse pads. I'm not sure if that one's big enough. And then a sticker. But yes, this is the cable. It's USB type A to micro USB. And we're just going to go ahead and take off these thingamabobs. And we're actually just going to go ahead and get it installed, because why not? We'll unplug my current mouse, well, my backup mouse. Call it the backup mouse. Click, click, boom. Come on. And then, oh, there's the bungee. Okay, so we'll wire it through the bungee really quick. This bungee's from Razer, but I would highly recommend getting, I think the one from PC Master or Glorious PC Gaming Racer or whatever that brand is called. I think their bungee is cheaper. So if you were looking in the market of getting a bungee, I would get that. But this one's a Razer one. But it's pretty sturdy. It's good quality. I can't remember the bungee I had before then, but I've had I think, oh, it was another Razer bungee, but there was like no weight on it. So even if you're moving your mouse around before I jumped to wireless, it was bad. It was el terrible. So go ahead and throw that back there. And then, so on the bungee itself, I have this connector, boop, right here. We're just gonna go and plug that in. Boop, ba-da-doop. And then we already have the Logitech software installed. Now I just gotta turn on the mouse. It's turned on. And now I'm moving the mouse again. Heck yes, sweet. And no double click issues. So, let's see. If we go ahead and let's go ahead and get the Logitech thing. Oh, so cool. Anyways, yeah, so this is the G Pro software, and as you can see, the Pro Wireless is now installed. Came with a, I want to say that maybe that was a 50% charge that it came with, because we did turn it on. And you can go through all the light sync stuff, which is pretty sweet. Make the logo cycle. You can make it fixed like a certain color. It's pretty neat. And you have all the assignments. You can go ahead and do all the... Wait, can I actually have those buttons set up? Because that may make it worth installing that other stuff. Oh, the DPI. This is actually important. I don't like having a high DPI. I like having it at 800. And for those who want to know what speed I use for Counter-Strike, 800 DPI, and then I use 0.85 sensitivity. OP. Anyways, yes. Logitech G Pro Wireless. This is currently MSRP'd at about $129.99 at your local Micro Center. I'm sure you can find it on Amazon, but and obviously, if there is a Micro Center in your area, make sure you stop by there and pick one up today. I'm Arrow, and thanks for watching. If you like it, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also, hit up community.microcenter.com if you ever are looking for advice on, you know, what parts you want for your next gaming PC, or if you just want advice on gaming in general, or BYO stuff, 3D printers, or even peripherals like this Logitech G Pro wireless gaming mouse. All right. See you later.